What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Bitcoin Cash. Shout out to the Dragon Riders in the House of the Dragon. Right now, things are looking good. We're sitting at about 250 and 67 cents. The daily RSI looks bullish, man. We are in the bullish area of control after all, as long as today closes green. If it were to close red, we would be rejecting the bullish area of control, and that would not look so good. That would actually lead me to believe that we might break out of this channel to the downside. That wouldn't look too good, because we are still relatively at like the lower point. You know, if this was like a channel, we're kind of at the base point of this, where the top point would be up here. So I would expect to see a move like this. If we reject this area, today closes red, that could set us up for some bearish action to the downside. And if we break this line here, that really wouldn't look good. We might see an overall retracement from this kind of area, which would take us from low to high. Standard retracement would be at least to about 223, right? That was an area I was calling for before, but probably likely toward the 61869 area. That's Bitcoin Cash loves that zone, so maybe below $200 is within the cards. We did tip the purple line on the weekly, and we're still crawling up. We're still holding up against it. So as long as this week closes green, man, bullish engulfing candle on the weekly, that would be nice to see. I would think that we'd get some continuation. I don't think we're going to break out of this just yet. I don't think we're going to like break out to new highs beyond this just yet. I do think we're going to continue to make our stride up there from top to bottom. Come on now. Oh, man. Yeah, 786, 886, somewhere around 285 to 305 would make sense. And we might not stop there, man. Like I'm not talking about breaking out now, but if we kind of keep crawling our way up here, maybe when we're up here, we can talk about a real breakout, you know. But I think it's going to take its time getting up there overall. And don't be surprised, guys. Don't be surprised if we see a correction this month either. You know, I haven't said that in any of my videos tonight so far, but I have been saying that, you know, in almost all my videos lately. November is notorious for drops. It really is. And we are at an area right now, like where we're finding resistance right here, was a previous area of support, also a previous area of resistance back here. So it wouldn't be too crazy to turn around from here. A lot of people are bullish. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is at readings that we haven't been at like all year, right? We're at the strongest readings we've been at all year, consistently since basically since the end of October, so for about a half month now. We could definitely turn around. A lot of people are bullish right now, man. A lot of cryptos, a lot of alts are doing good, but you know, to be fair, a lot of things look good for continuation. I don't know if Bitcoin Cash and most altcoins are going to pull back from here, but at some point during the month, maybe in the second half of the month. I was thinking it'd be in the first half, but things are looking too bullish right now. So all in all, with that aside, if I'm wrong, if I'm not wrong, like cool, whatever. But without the November analysis in mind, without the overall average of how Novembers have performed, just looking at this on a daily perspective, taking the sentiment out of mind and just looking at it strictly from a chart perspective, I would think this goes higher. I would think that the next stop that it's going to do before like its next high would be somewhere around 281, maybe even up to $300, somewhere around there, but probably around this 281 to 288 area. It seems to like its 1272 to 1414 extension, and that would kind of line up with this like ascending trend line up here. That would make sense to me. So yeah, probably up a little bit more, guys. Things look good. If we were to turn around, let's go on the 4 hour and see. If we were to turn around, we could turn around right here for a little bit. We are at the overbought zone. Maybe not. This looks constructive. This looks very nice. Holding, you didn't even go to your oversold zone, man. This looks very nice. I would actually think you do continue to go higher. You probably do continue to go higher. Vito, man, get those coins back. I think it's going higher, bro. I do. I think it's going higher. If it goes lower, maybe it goes down. It's at 250 now. Maybe it goes to 246, 244, something like that. But it won't be long. It won't be long. You know, in the coming days, by the end of this week, I think we'll start to see this thing above prices that are even like above 260. But we'll see. Time will tell. This 4 hour looks very productive. It looks very nice. And we're going to see our next move up. I think we're on our way right now to our next high in this series of like higher highs and higher lows. So again, probably around that 280 to 290 maybe even up toward 300 area, but probably around 280 to 290. And then from there, we'll have just a normal like pullback like we've had, you know, all these times. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Shout out to the Dragon Riders one last time, and peace out. Adios.